We had a stormy afternoon with thunder, heavy rains, and high winds. Let's go to Robb Ellis with a look at your forecast.
Most of the atmosphere has been worked over, so we've used up all of the energy out there. That is now moving down to the south. By the way, a new severe thunderstorm warning just to our south of Kankakee County, Ford, Iroquois County. Most of that is going to be exiting. Things are much calmer. They're stabilizing. But take a look at this. We made it to 93 before all was said and done. These are the temperatures before the storms happened, and then the storms came through, and now we've cooled things down. Actually made for a much more pleasant evening, even though some of you did have to deal with some pretty gusty winds. 80 currently for O'Hare, 75 at Midway. Midway, by the way, had a 68-mile-per-hour wind gust earlier in the day as that storm rolled through. And unfortunately, this is, while we could use this rain, an inch and a half at O'Hare, by the way, which was a daily record for today. It's the haves and the have-nots, and this is not necessarily the type of pattern you want to be in to help alleviate dry or drought conditions, because many locations receive very little. The locations that receive rain typically get a lot, and unfortunately a lot of that runs off. What we need is some widespread good soaking rain. Unfortunately, that doesn't look to be in the cards. The drought situation is expanding. We are seeing this not only increase in severity, but also increase in aerial coverage. A lot of this abnormally dry or moderate area of drought is starting to creep farther to the south. It may be held off a week or so by some of the rain that we saw today, but I think when you look at our forecast, you're going to notice some changes. The first is that some drier air is moving in, and that is happening right now as we speak. We're seeing some cooler, drier air begin to settle in. That'll happen overnight tonight, and by tomorrow the humidity will come way down, much more comfortable and brisk, even if the temperatures get back into the upper 80s to near 90s tomorrow. Because the air is drier, it'll actually feel much more comfortable, noticeably comfortable. 64 for tonight, a little bit cooler because we do have the drier air in place. There's a north wind, that's what's helping to bring in that drier air. And then look at tomorrow's forecast. Sun shines across the board. Now, it's a beautiful day tomorrow. A lovely forecast for summer, mid to upper 80s, very summer-like. And normally I would just say go out and enjoy the day. But I know we are going to start to see some dry conditions, especially with temperatures warming up into the upper 80s to near 90. That actually hurts the situation because it helps to evaporate the little bit of moisture that we do have in place. And no rain in our forecast until we get to Friday, when a chance of scattered storms returns. Again, it's nice and dry and feels lovely outside, but we could surely use a little bit more rain, just not all at one time like we had today.
Yes, Rob. Thank you.